Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk you through the simple steps to forward multiple voice messages from chats on Telegram's desktop app. Whether you're sharing important updates, forwarding memorable conversations, or organizing content, this feature will save you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to navigate your chats. Once you're in, locate the chat containing the voice messages you want to forward. This could be a personal conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Click on the chat to open it fully. Now, focus on the voice messages. Click on the sender's name or profile icon at the top of the chat to open the media browser. Here, select the Voice Messages tab to filter and view all audio files shared in the conversation. You'll see a list of voice notes arranged chronologically. To forward multiple voice messages, begin by right-clicking on one of the voice notes you want to share. A context menu will appear. Select Select from the options. This activates multi-selection mode, allowing you to choose additional voice messages. Click on each voice note you'd like to include and watch them highlight as you go. Once you've selected all the desired voice messages, look for the forward icon at the top of the chat window. It's a small arrow symbol, usually located near the search bar. Click it, and a list of your contacts and groups will populate. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the recipient you want to forward the messages to. After selecting the recipient, take a moment to review your choices. If everything looks good, click the blue send arrow to finalize the forwarding process. The selected voice messages will now be sent as a batch, preserving their original order, and making it easy for the recipient to listen sequentially. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded multiple voice messages on Telegram's desktop app. This method is perfect for sharing lengthy discussions, collaborative projects, or even forwarding voice reminders to yourself. Remember, Telegram's updates continue to streamline how we manage our chats, and mastering these features ensures you stay efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tips to enhance your messaging experience.